Hi guys, it's me JC. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and comment your Roblox username. So let's talk to Nixie here because we actually have 4 dogs. This cave used to be a place where animals would visit. Let's just get some stuff through. Right, it's time to make a neon, guys. Are you ready? Let's go. Dog. First dog. First dog. Here we go. Second dog. Here we go. Third dog. Here we go. The fourth dog. Here we go. Ooh! We got a neon dog, guys. Guess what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna trade. I'm trading my friend right now. They don't know, actually. I'm gonna give them my neon dog. Here you go. I'm actually crying because I worked so hard for that, but I'm also happy for her. I've never made a neon before and I worked so hard for that, but I just want to give it to my friend